What's up, goblins, and welcome back to Cosmoteer! Today I want to start a new format with you because yesterday I saw in the patch notes of the recent update from like 1 week ago or so that the developer added an Iron Man mode to this game here, and that's why I want to start a new campaign here with you today on Iron Man mode, and this project ends no matter whenever I die. Or when I reach the last stage in the campaign, which is very unlikely. But I'd say, let's go into career mode here. I'm super excited about this. No save scamming this time. So I think I'm playing this on Admiral, which means we take 25% more damage from enemies and in return 20% less damage. This is huge, this buff. 25% more damage is crazy. I don't think I'm confident enough for Grand Admiral. Usually if I play not on Iron Man mode, I play on Grand Admiral, which is even crazier. 40% increased damage from enemies and 30% less damage. Insane, but I think for this Iron Man mode, I stay at Admiral. I don't want to die at the first fight here. And for economy difficulty, I just say Architect, so we have normal resource drop rates and so ever. And let's see, where do I find this Iron Man mode? There. This has to be, of course, activated. And I'd say crew to fame ratio, we also set this to standard. I don't want to suffer from having too few crew members. Okay, I think everything else can stay the same. I'd say we still need something else here. The Model M, interesting. So this comes in with the mining laser. That's crazy. Model L, Model C, Model S. This one has a shield generator already, which I kind of like, to be honest. I think I'm going with this one here. Let's go. Okay, create Iron Man save. How do we name this? Eternal Fun. Let's go. I'm super excited. I can't tell if this project will end in this one episode here already. Okay, let's pause this for a while, because we do have some funds left here. We do have 5,000 credits, which means we can already expand our ship here if we want to. What do we do? So we don't have many parts unlocked here. As you can see, we do have a shield generator. That's nice. Okay, we might need some more crew members. Yeah, for sure. We do have suggested 9. I would say we even pick more lasers here. So let's go for something like this. Oh, always build in the blueprint mode here, because everything is built immediately. Okay. Do we want to spread this out further, or do we want to have them over here maybe even? Yes, I think so. We want to build them over here. I want to have another door here, one here. We don't have a fire extinguisher yet. That's, of course, a no-go. So let's, get one over here. So now we have fire extinguisher on the left side and our airlock hatch on the right side. Should be fine. I don't want to have 3 laser blasters per side, though. This is a problem for our... Yes, for our energy. So let's stay with our small thrusters here. Maybe like this. Then we go for some more armor protection here. Ta-da! Looks beautiful. We still have we still don't have enough power here. Little bit more would be nice, like 0.3 more, but I think for now it's fine. All right, I should definitely take some more crew members here. Wait, what if we do something like this? Let me see. This sounds kind of nice. So we have a suggested crew amount of 13, and I think with 12, we should already be pretty fine. Should work. And then we can also go for some more thrusters here. which of course will even lower our, yeah, suggested power, of course. So many problems. You know what? I might even, yeah, maybe I'm gonna do this. What if I simply place you over here? Yes. Yes. This gives me more crew space. Oop. Actually, this way around is smarter. Alright, now we definitely have enough crew space. The problem is we won't have enough money because, well, we are already completely out of credits, actually. So let's remove those. Then what else can we remove here? I have another idea. Wait. Yeah, the problem is we don't have enough starting credits. Oh, wait. What if I... okay, one power generator, this. Yeah, this is a small problem, of course. I might also take in one of these. This will save us a little bit of steel. But we still have the problem that we don't have enough money. We need to save up like 1,000 credits here. So what if we go over for something like this? And then remove those. Yes, should be fine. Problem, of course, is a little bit the power delivery. But hey, I'd say this should work. Alright, this is our starting ship. Let's see, maybe we can make this a little bit more tanky here. Later we can expand this like I had this before down below here again. Should be fine. We need tankiness from behind here. Actually, I don't really think so. Let's save up some of this money to buy some more crew members. Let's go. Boy. Okay, there we go. It's so crazy how this thing starts with like 2 airlock hatches, but no, no fire extinguisher. Wild. Okay, let's speed this up a little bit. Alright. Actually, in the meantime, we can already speak to our station here. Because, of course, we need to accept all of these juicy, yes, things here. Exploration, yeah, why not? What do we have here? Diamond, that's certainly nothing we have at hand right now. I can buy 1 crew member. Wow, impressive. Hey, that's better than nothing. I'd say that's better than nothing. Alright. This is crazy. I mean, look at them. It's only 2 boys delivering all the energy. Oh, excuse me. 1 boy and 1 girl. Delivering all the energy needed for the whole ship. Everyone else is seated here right now. Aye. Yep, I certainly need more crew. Okay, let's see. What do we have first? A wire is the next. Okay, there's also an unknown signal, right? Close by. Let's try to go there. I will also never save during the run. I will only save once I leave the game for when I ended my episode. So I'm really curious how this goes. I will try to keep this also a little bit shorter, this episode, maybe 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Not too long. Right, let's see, we already have bounty here. Oh, gold. Let's mark this one. Custom marker. Yeah, whatever. Do you really want to hunt me? Yeah, it seems so. It seems he already sees me. Alright, let's go into his area here and then turn around. Okay, what's our range? I might start like this. Okay, let's save this. Save attack defaults. I don't want to get too close, though. Okay, he already has my biggest enemy, a disruptor. That's the problem. So because disruptors, of course, are highly efficient against my shields here. Okay, I broke through. Maybe go for... I don't want to crash his small reactor core. Maybe let's go for this one here. Ouch. His point defense system is annoying. But I got him! Yes! I really need more crew. It's such a big problem that I can't really distribute enough energy to my shields. Okay. Let's catch all of that. Repair everything. By the way, the reason I brought such few... Oh, we have one here. Enriched uranium. Perfect. Such few episodes of Cosmoteer lately is, to be honest, I'm a little bit annoyed that so few things are releasing right now. Such few updates. Even though this is an early access game and should receive more updates, in my opinion. And I don't mean quality of life improvements, I mean big, juicy updates. Since we are already waiting, like, what, for like 3 years or so for the new campaign to finally release. I'm curious if that will ever happen. But yeah, that's the reason I'm not into Cosmoteer right now too much. I'm just a little bit annoyed. I'm sorry for that. I know that there are some people out there still waiting for their dream ships to be made and for new mega ships to be created. But this has to wait until, I don't know, something happens, until I find my fun with this game again. Okay. Let me see. Give me my bounty! Because I need more crew. Really, I have 7 here, so please, give me all of your crew. Or, okay, it's almost enough. I'm thinking maybe we should even sell some of this steel. Alright. I need like 75 more, so I don't have to sell a lot. Just a tiny little bit of steel. Like, this should already be enough. And no, please don't... Yeah, go out of my way. These traders. I'd say we just sell 8 pieces or so. Oh no, I bought steel. I'm so dumb. Not this way around. Oh my goodness. This already starts, well, bad. Okay, let's just say, like, I don't know, 20. Yeah, that was very dumb, I know. I know. You can blame me for it. I also want to sell some coils. My excuse is, it's been a while I played the campaign, okay? Alright, give me a new crew member. Oh, that was expensive. Why was it so expensive to buy from you? Ugh. But hey, now we are filled with new, fresh crew members. This is great. Now look at this, 12 guys. So we need 13, as I said. Okay, we don't have money left to make any changes to our ship here yet. So let's go on another bounty mission. Clear asteroid field might also be nice. Not sure though. Oh, we do have some materials lying around here. Yo, some hypercoils. Of course, give them to me. They are pretty rare in these lands. If you can call this land, I don't think so. In this space. We are also pretty fast. I mean, especially we only have one small and one standard thruster pointing this way. Per side, of course, but yeah, this is still not too shabby. Okay, Nebula, we have to be very careful here. What's the signal? A beacon, jump beacon. Let's see. Aha, I spotted one. Enemy spotted. What are you? Oh, uranium XL. Okay, this is going to be marked. once we have a mining ship, I will send this mining ship over here and gather all of these juicy resources for us. And then we sell it. I guess we will just sell it. We could also fabricate enriched uranium out of this, of course. But yeah, this could be a problem. Alright, let's go. Hunt him down! Come on. We are faster. I believe in you. I believe Model S. Oh, I know why. Oh, this is now a big problem. Go closer. Ouch. Please. Yes. Okay. On his cannon. Yes. Why did we even suffer some damage? Okay, here on our armor tile. Better than the thruster tile for sure. So this is fine. Okay, let's go half speed. Should be yep, should be okay-ish. Where are the other enemies? Seems to be fine for now. Maybe I can cut him in half. Alright, maybe not. Let's just go for his core, to be honest. I just want to finish him soon so that we don't have to run into another ship here coming from behind. Which would be our certain end, given the fact that we don't have any protection here. Let's go. Faster. Yes. Very, very, very nice. I'd say we just mark him for now. Pinion. Then go over here. Repair quickly everything. I don't see any enemies here right now, so maybe we are even fine collecting all of the stuff. Let's see. There's still some parts lying around here. That's funny. Yes, go there. Scavenge, loot. Oh, oh, oh. Enemy spotted. Where? Who? Yeah, this would be a problem to get intercepted here right now. Oh, there's one coming. Okay, everyone head back to the ship. It seems fine-ish, I guess. So please collect all of this. And maybe even this here. What's this? What's lying around here? No, seriously, what is this? Why can I not see this? Because I'm not in the cloud yet, or what? It seemed so, yeah. Alright, are you heading my way? Not really, so it's fine. A little bit risky, to be honest, to stay here, but yeah, we got everything we wanted. Oh, there's more uranium. But hey, who cares? Alright, come here. Come to me. Yeah, I want to play this really careful since, as I said, this project is over if we lose once. So, better safe than sorry, right? Bottom feeder. Hey, you must have seen me. Come here. I even shot him. Hello. Hello. Sir, could you please not turn your back against me? That's rude. Oh, there he is. Oh, by the way, I should not... Well, yes. Rearrange this too much. He only has 2 point defense systems and 1 laser blaster, so he's actually... He is no threat to me. This is definitely all catched by our small sheet generator here. And his core is pretty much open, so let's go. Bloop. Explosion! I think this is safe enough to collect everything here. Should be fine. Alright, let's go. I don't see the last... here. There's the last enemy. Okay, very nice. I think since we don't have an Hyperium drive yet here, I will just sell it, I guess, all this extra Hyperium. Okay, good. I was still able to collect everything here, right? We have a little bit of space left here, it seems. We definitely have enough space for coils, though. Not so much for microchips. If we find a microchip, we have to come back here. Alright, where's the last enemy? Show me what you got. There we go. He should actually be able to see me soon, because he's... or maybe not. Okay, anyway, let's drive closer here. Okay, now he's absolutely able to see me. There's no ways he can't. Hello. Ah, now he's turning. Okay. What's this? Pirate Hunter. Alright, but he's still relatively far away, so it should be fine. What do you have? Oh, you have an open cockpit. Well, yeah, man, that's fair for me. That was a bad idea to build it up there. Yeah, of course, I know this ship model. This is always very easy to take down. Do we have a microchip lying around here? Unfortunately, no. I mean, I also shot the cockpit, so that's fair. I don't really think we are able to scavenge all of this, so I will mark it for now. Of course, I want to come back and get all of this juicy loot. Oh, so many coils. Perfect. Oh, and enriched uranium. Of course, we didn't crash the core, and so we cached all of this uranium. That's perfect. We might even have enough uranium here for a second core. Almost. I think you need 8 enriched uranium for a second small core. But that's already huge. Nice. Alright, let's head back to the station and report we are victorious. Okay, there's the uranium asteroid. Yes. Another one? M asteroid even. Ooh, right next to each other. I like that. And then we have this uranium XL asteroid over here. This is funny. Okay. I'm right now... What happened there? I'm right now thinking, is it smarter to first extend our Model S? Or do we want to have a second ship already to collect all of these juicy things here? I already have something prepared there for you. Don't worry. I don't have to build a lot. Maybe I'm just gonna do it like this. I will build a second ship as our transport ship. But of course we need large amounts of resources for that, for a complete new ship. Well, wow, that was good. That brought us a lot of money here. Also want you. I think for now I just throw out everything I have in my storage here. And I will just call this my construction site. Construction site. Okay. So please, everyone, yes, throw away all of this stuff. And throw it faster. I'm annoyed. Yes, yes, faster, yes. Okay, I think everything is sold. All soldiers are back to my station. So we can now head back here. Actually, I want to make this fugitive bounty first, and then we can go over here to the Fanged Fighter remains and collect this. I certainly need a lot of steel for my new ship. Certainly. What was this for? I think this was also uranium or something. And once I have this small mining ship, trust me, it will absolutely be worth it. So let's have a look. If I wanted to, can I have a look on my, no, okay. I want to show it over here. Load chip. Oh, from my library. Is it in here? Tannenzapfen. There we go. It's the one I was looking for. So this is the ship I was talking about. Here we have a mining laser up here, 6 crew members, of course, standard equipment, also decent amount of armor and thrusters. And yeah, I hope that will be fine. All right. Let's remove this one. But yeah, this, of course, is expensive. This is going to be very expensive. That's why I need resources. So please, Pinion, show me your resources. So much Hyperium here. Cool, come to me. Makes things easier. What do you have? Disruptor? Do you have a disruptor? No, just a cannon. Oh, we already had this one. I remember. Yeah, it's true. Actually, we could even outrange this cannon here, but yeah, it's fine. Right, go for it. Can we maybe just get rid of all of his thrusters? I think this should already be enough to take down the ship here, to be honest. Okay, he's now absolutely defenseless. Yes, nice, 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 nice. Okay, we still have an intact cockpit here, more or less, at least. So please, give me this microchip. I need this for my new ship, definitely. To buy a new microchip is extremely expensive. Let's go. We got lots of ammunition there, which I think I got even 2 microchips. I would just throw out all ammunition, eject all. Clear here, resource limits. So I never ever want to have any limit 0. Wait, can I not only... Wait, there's one thing I can probably do here. Over here. Yes, I can just prohibit to even collect all of these types here. Because I don't want to carry ammo. It's worth almost nothing. In theory, of course, I can sell it for a few coins, but it's just not worth it. And it's just clonking up my entire storage, as you can see here. So I don't want you. Everything else should be fine. Okay, maybe not copper and such. This is okay. Yeah, I think this is good. All right. Now please get rid of all of these. Now, even if I try to collect this, you see this here? It's just not registering it. All right. Let's say we do have enough storage to go back here still to the Fang Fighter. There was only a few pieces of steel left anyway. Oh, a Pirate Hunter and more uranium. Telling you, this asteroid field is packed with uranium. Crazy. But really, only uranium. I've only found uranium here so far in terms of important materials. Funny. Okay, everyone collect stuff fast. Maybe we want to hunt down this Pirate Hunter even. Or maybe not. He's going further. Yeah, he's out of reach, I'd say. We just return to the base again. I'm stuck. Stuck. All right. Station, here I come. Or rather, my construction site. Eject all. We still have some Hyperium to sell here. Nothing else on board. All right. So let's see. If we wanted to buy a new ship here, and this happens to be our Tannenzapfen, what would it cost? Load ship, replace existing. Exactly. There we go. You run, Utan. Perfect. Let's go. Yes, everything. All right. We still needed 26,000 credits. Question is why? Probably steel is a big thing and coils, I guess. I assume. Yes, coils for sure. I might as well just go for some small thrusters here, but that's still not going to suffice here. And actually, I like this idea of having some standard thrusters here. Maybe over here and then small thrusters here. This should be sufficient. Yes. We still need to unlock the mining laser, of course. That's a problem. Alright, so there's something to work for now. Work towards. Let's see, how much is the mining laser? There we go. Mining laser unlocked. Now let's have another look. Still 21k. That's a problem. Okay. Anyway, this just means we need to eliminate more enemies. So let's go maybe this one here first. This is closer. Yes. This is very close by. Okay, what's that? Pirate Hunter. If he's already crossing paths with me, I guess. Let's go for it. I should probably go a little closer again, right? Like that. Okay, he's coming closer, he's coming closer. Oh, he's... Okay, he only got one cannon, it's fine by me. So let's... Yep. Faster, please. Alright, go all the way through here. Right into the cockpit. Perfect. Oh, another enemy. Another pirate hunter. Oh, he's surely pretty close. Yeah, we should definitely abort this. Saving game. Nice. Okay, let's go. Let's see what he has. Okay, we still have our enemy lying around here. Of course, I don't want to miss that. Let's mark this as well. Just so I don't have to search for it. Alright, let's see. Iota. Oh, this is the ultimate combination against me, of course. Disruptor and cannon. Yikes, that's not good. Take down this disruptor, please. Yep, my sheet generator turned off. I still have some armor here to protect me, but this is not ideal, to be honest. Everyone! Yes, please, shoot him. Okay, there's only one single tiny bit of energy left that has to be delivered. Yes! Generator online. I repeat, generator online. Okay, go for his thrusters. Maybe we're really able, again, to save up his core and his cockpit. See? Yes, lasers for the win! And perfectly. It landed perfectly in line with the other shipwreck here. Nice. That's perfect. Alright. Give me everything. We also have some over there. Okay, I don't need you anymore. We need to repair stuff here though. Okay. Oh, that was lots of resources. Actually, we could already go back to base again. I don't really have space for anything else. there anything lying around here that I still want? Like a microchip or so, or enriched uranium? No, I don't think so. I only found one enriched uranium, though. That's a shame, since we already saved up this whole core and the cockpit there. Only one enriched uranium. Resources are scarce today. That's fine. It's not like I really need these advanced resources. I mostly need steel and coils for my new ship, so it's fine. They get some... Wait, no, not this. Ah, help. What am I doing here? No one knows. Okay, give this some speed up. Alright, everyone's aboard. Cool, fine. I might want to protect my back here finally now. Just with the little piece of armor or so. Just like that. Some triangles here. Or maybe some real armor, just because we have the core lying behind this directly. Alright. I mean, we have the steel, so we don't have to invest any money for it. So that's fine. Now go to this fugitive bounty area. Finally. It's really all nebula here. Annoying. That means I have to go closer again. Like so, maybe. Maybe a little bit closer. Yes, looks good. I think I'm aiming directly for his core. There's no need in shooting his lasers there, I think. If we just hit the core, it'll be over anyway. Yeah, there we go. Explosion! And this episode is actually also almost over. Alright, that was everything. What about the storage? We still have some capacity here, so we could very well just go for another bounty. Why not? Opinion. Okay, Opinion. We already know this one. He has a cannon, so this shouldn't be problematic. Come on. Show yourself. Reveal yourself. Where are you there? Go for him. And initiate protocol standard procedure. So we want to go for your cannon first, then for his thrusters, and then we want to get all of his juicy resources. Oh yeah. Here we go. Nice. All working according to the plan. Don't kill the core, please. That's not a good idea. Alright. I was a little bit worried because there were still some laser bolts shooting around there, that we might still blow up the core, but actually get nothing from it. Yay! All this work, really, for nothing. How dare you doing this to me? Okay, I'd say we still have space for the next mission. So let's go over here. I just realized that having 8 tiles of space at the beginning is already plenty enough here. That's not bad. Maybe I should reduce the space I have in my Tannenzapfen. But on the other hand, nah. Nah. It's meant to be a transport ship, and so it better has some tiles there, right? Some storage tiles. of course, this would reduce our cost. Let's see. Where's the enemy hiding? Inside the nebula? What's this? Another uranium asteroid, this time XXA. This solar system surely is radiating. Lot. Okay, give me... Oh yeah, the Haywire, of course. He's the one with this disruptor. Very, very annoying. Kill it! Kill it! One kill it faster. Yes. Yeah, that's fine. This point defense system, it's annoying, but it doesn't do a lot of damage. So it's not able to take down one of my parts here, really. And I think point defense systems are also not able to start any fires or so. So it's really just minor damage source for us here. Minor inconvenience, I wanted to say. But I was missing the word. Alright. I can fly a little bit closer. What do you got? Yes, we got some enriched uranium, at least. Okay, any microchips left out in the space, in the void? I don't think so. We cached everything. Our storage is also mostly full. That's actually perfect. So it's time to head back to our home station. At least home for now. Yes, go to the construction site. I will just throw out stuff over there again. Oh, there was titanium. I am titanium. Even L-titanium. That's good. That's good. I think once I have my storage ship here, my mining ship, I would just go out there offline and mine stuff for you. Because, wait, this is, I think, annoying to watch if you just go out and start mining asteroids. So that's something I'm going to make off screen. If you don't want that, well, just let me know in the comments if you want to see this. Contact new station. Oh yeah, of course. We still have some business to do over here, but this is also good to have. Okay. Let's see. How much do I need? Oh, I'm very close to having it, actually. Look at this. We still need to purchase some steel and coils here. Yeah, we still need to fight a little bit more, but actually, I'm almost there. What's my crew limit right now? Can I see this over here? Galactic Fame. Crew limit 30. Okay, so we have a maximum crew of 30, which means with our 12 crew over here and our 6 demanded crew over here, this should be fine. So yeah. Oh, wait. What? This already works? I can already make it. Ah, because I think I was throwing out the steel, it was counted as obstructed material, right? Because I was throwing this out, but now that it's thrown out the window, I can start to construct it. Alright, give it to me. Give me all you have. I have construction assistance on. Yes, my ship's only. Perfect. Alright, let's speed this up. This looks funny. How this builds up. Nice. There we go. This is the ship already. Okay, I still need to transfer some crew over there, though. Wait. Transfer crew. There. This is how it works. Just give me 6. That's fine. Yep. And then we still have plenty left, so we can also just buy some over here. There we go. And we still have enough money left to actually buy some stuff. There's also some enriched uranium and everything lying around here. Nice. Now look at this. Got our tiny little resource ship. And I'd say that's also it for today's episode. Thank you so much for joining in. Let me know what you think about my Iron Man mode run here so far in the comments, and if you want to see some action with this mining ship here, of course. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.